If you're a business that offers guides, webinars, or downloadable services from your website, then this tutorial is for you. Offering a file download button on your website is a great way to interact with your customer, spread information, and further develop your customer relationship. So without further ado, let's get into the process of adding a file download button onto your web page. First, jump into the editor side of the Bookmark Website Builder. Go to the Modules section on the left menu and drag a file download module onto the area of your web page that you would like it to be placed. Before attaching the file to the download button, you'll need to upload it into your My Drive. Once the file has been uploaded, click the editing sidebar of the file download module and attach the file by selecting Choose File. Save and publish, and you're good to go. Here's an example of how it looks on your online store. After you follow these easy instructions, you'll be all set and ready to have customers directly download a file from a button on your website. If you have any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, take care.